What is up, everybody? Boost Down GP here, coming at you, and today we're going to be talking about the issues with the Holley Sniper fuel injection kit, more specifically like the 1% throttle creep that people seem to think is a problem, and the other throttle hang issue that is kind of dangerous, but it's actually a very simple thing to fix that you could literally do in 2 seconds. You don't have to change your intake manifold. These fuel injection companies aren't going to tell you every little detail, and they probably won't even realize this themselves, because this is something I had to figure out myself. Nobody else on the internet had this fix or this, like, try this. So I did. And we're going to show you what I did. It's been probably 8 or 9 months, maybe 10 months since I've started the car. I don't know if it's going to start. It should. The battery seems okay. So we're going to go and do it. This is, for reference, 1989 Cadillac Brougham. The 454 big block Chevy. And a massive, yeah I know, tiny little exhaust on a massive turbo. I ran out of room. It's pretty tight in here, folks, with a full exhaust. Anyway, T6 billet turbo, 96 millimeter. And obviously sniper kit. Well, it's the super sniper. It's the 1250 version, not the 650 version. Big block, big power, big fuel. Anyway, it's also MSD, and there are a set of, wow, they're pretty bad looking right now. I gotta clean this engine. It's got a set of Brodix raised port heads on it, so this thing is quite the absolute fucking monster. Transmission's cooked, so you can't do anything other than start it. So let's go do that. Been a while. Oh yeah, this thing runs good. It's also cold, people. Don't worry about the 1%, because see how it's fluctuating between a 1 and 0? It's just, there's a little bit of play on the throttle position sensor, because it's made from shit. This is what they are. I have them right here. This is the throttle position sensor. Here's the part number. I'll put it up on screen if it's not focusing, because I'm getting a little annoyed this thing don't want to focus. There it is. I've already had to put one in because I thought there was a problem. There is no problem. Just leave it. Don't fuck with it. I think people look for a problem because they see 1% and they think it's something's messed up with it. It's not. It's fine. Just leave it. Leave it alone. It'll grow. You're gonna want to go home, tuning, advanced idle, ramp down. There you go. Change your hold position to 5%, and then your ramp decay to 2 seconds. I believe factory, like I said, is 50% and then 20 seconds. I didn't bother doing the ramp start. That's just when it starts to engage the idle air control sensor or solenoid. It's just set to 1,000. Idle air kicks, AC kicks up 50%. I don't have AC, so I didn't bother checking that. That's just fine. So that's the deal. Ooh, she's learning. No throttle hang here. I don't have that problem. No throttle hang. Wonder why? It's the idle air control, people. If you fix that, you're gonna fall in love with this thing. Don't worry about the air fuels. It's terrible gas. I wish you could smell it because it's turpentine. So anyway, that's about it. I think she's good. She still runs. Not bad. Ooh, stink master though. Smells like old car. Old, untuned, terrible smelling car. But anyway, there you go. Sounds pretty good otherwise. Like I said, it's been a while. And, oh, God. I'm getting high as a kite smelling that exhaust. Woo! Better than weed. Anyway, hope this found you help, whatever you want to call it. This information. Hope it found you, or found whatever. Yeah, I'm terrible at that. Hope you found this video informational enough to fix the problem with your Holley kit, because these things are better than people think. And Holley just made a second one because they were too fucking stupid to just figure it out. This is what they do. They just make another one and expect people to buy it again. I'm not buying a Holley 2. We're staying with the one. Fuck y'all freaking shit with this newfangled stuff. I'd rather have a part I can go to Napa, that little throttle position, get it at Napa for $5 freaking, than have to send the whole thing out to Holley because it's got an in-grafted fucking throttle position that's in their computer. How fucked up is that, people? You want freedom to fix your shit, not send it out all the time. I'm not about that. Anyway, that's the end. I guess see you when I'm beating on the Malibu. That should be pretty soon. Yeah, got like 2 more wires to wire up, but that's it. So, see you on the next one.